Yes, this is the 17th day of April 2026, and in continuation of our videos of our documentary, this is the Okigwe Imo 1 primary school. So as you can see with your two koro eyes, what the Biafran agitator criminals, they took even the wood and the windows. This is you look at it. Classrooms. Look at it, classrooms. They took the aluminium roof, they took the rafters, the wood, they took the windows, the iron windows. Look at this one. These are the people majority of Igbos are supporting. Look at what they did. Look at. They left the wood in this one, but they took the aluminium. They left the wood and they left the window because it's wood. If it is iron, they will take it also. So this is the primary school. Okigwe Imo 1 primary school. This is the condition. So this is how Biafra will look like. This is how Biafra will look like. So you see.